what I like doing for fun, honestly, so I actually love coffee. I go to a bunch of different coffee shops in like Murrieta, Lake Elsinore. You know, it's not like anything that I'm like too crazy passionate about, but like to me, you know, just being outside and I guess just enjoying the day is what I do for fun, you know, just kind of chill. Hi, my name is Michael Mandeville and I'm a project specialist with Dalinghaus Construction. Day-to-day consists of waking up super early, making sure I'm at the shop by 6 a.m. Whether or not we're actually ready to go, you know, at that point, like I would obviously help out, you know, make sure truck is good. And I mean, typically we're on the road like no later than 6:15. At that point, get to the job at 7:30, sometimes 8, depending on traffic. And then obviously working until about 4:30, sometimes even later than that. I definitely have a lot of love for the job. I mean, obviously, in the few months that I've been here, I think that the people that I've worked with have really made it probably what it is for me, just because, you know, obviously, I mean, I'm coming into this like with no knowledge about anything foundation related, you know? And I think just being with a group of guys that's like so devoted to like actually like just teaching me, you know, and like actually helping me acquire the skills that I need to be successful is what really makes this awesome. I get along great with the guys that I work with, and you know, to be honest, no job I've ever had has the same level of like camaraderie. And yeah, you know, it's tiring work, but it's, you know, it's honest, it's fulfilling, and I've been able to take care of myself a lot better with, you know, the money that I make here, you know, so I honestly have no complaints at all. Fulfilling part of the work is just getting the job done. Also, like, you know, obviously when I have individual tasks that I have to take care of, it's fulfilling to know like, okay, yeah, I put 110% into that, and you know what, I made my, you know, my boss happy, you know, being like the project manager at the time. It's like, you know, if somebody comes by, hey dude, good job, you killed that. It's like, that means the world to me, you know? I definitely put a lot of effort in, and I think like actually knowing that I'm succeeding like at the position, it's like, okay, you know, that's fulfilling to me. Most important thing, honesty. You know, it's like I said, I don't know as much as a lot of the guys that are here, so it's like if a customer were to ask me question A through Z and I genuinely don't know, it's like, hey, to be 100% honest, I don't know, let me get my foreman for you. It's just like, you know, I mean, I'm never gonna, I guess, say I was in a foreman's position, you know, even then, it's like if something's not going 100% as planned, you know, definitely just communicating effectively and just being 100% honest about where we're at and what we're doing, you know. And I think that's just the most important thing, you know, we can do. Working on someone's foundation, you know, super important work. So it's like, you know, you got to be crystal clear about what's going on, and I guess where you're at, where your team's at, you know, stuff like that. My family, well, I have my Uncle Mike and my cousin Jason in Rancho Cucamonga, and my cousin Jason is going to be, I'm pretty sure he's finishing up nursing school over at CBU, and my Uncle Mike used to be an electrical engineer. After he got laid off back in like 08, 09, he actually started working for Amazon. He still works there to this day. And yeah, he's a 70-year-old man, and he's, you know, he's a worker. You know, both of them have been through a lot, and you know, they're super inspiring to me, and they're the closest family I actually have right now. My dad ran an HVAC business for a long time, was a building engineer. He passed away a while back, and you know, a big part of like my limited knowledge on like tools and stuff and like just how to function at a job site is like actually comes from him. So, you know, it's kind of where I'm at with it, you know what I mean? Cherish the family that I do have, you know? Fun fact about me, I actually have a pretty extensive baseball memorabilia collection. I got everyone from Sadahara O to Nolan Ryan. I got the Canseco brothers, Pete Rose. I got about 20 autographed balls. I actually have limited edition Pokemon cards too. Just a lot of old, you know, kind of junk, but you know, like pieces of history to me that I've been collecting since I was super young. So probably the funnest fact you can know about me.